We're gonna do this music called Nula. And I wanna invite some of my friends. They're gonna come, they're from all over the world. And they're gonna come one by one and let you guys hear what they have, because a manifestation is not consist of one person, you know. A manifestation is a group of people letting their voices be heard. So definitely you're gonna hear some voices tonight. If you're on your way, I understand it's a weekday. Definitely I want you to assist this. And if you're far, you want to come a little closer, that's okay too. This song means Nula, N-O-U-L-A. And then the English translation for it is we here. And I'm dedicating this song to everyone out there who's going through their own demons, you know. Every day you gotta wake up and look at yourself in the mirror and say, I gotta keep on going. You know, nobody knows what you go through when you're by yourself, crying in your pillow, you know? So it's dedicated to all of you, which means all of us, because as long as we're still here, we gotta keep going, right? All right. Yo pa konen kote nou soti, yo pa konen ki bon nou prale. Ki jan nou ye, ki jan nou ye, ki jan nou ye, ki jan nou ye, ye. Yo pa konen kote nou soti, yo pa konen ki bon nou prale. Ki sa nou ye, ki sa nou ye, ki sa nou ye, ki sa nou ye. Mwen son li gous, let tan kou kanibous. Mem sou el li red, lè l'entre la vin pi douce. Écoute, mentalité m'loin, même si pied m'coute. Drapeau nan pou yet, mwen tan kou yon ancien makout. Mwen la tou, ou konen Bennchoumy se wakafou. Diamant nan labou, dormi en papier mapou. Cartouche caoutchouc, kadaf nan trou. Ouvert bouchou, yo prêt pour yo bay la vie ou blackout. Même si vite la panef c'est pas. Mwen prêt pour mourir, pour mouvement en 2000. Microphone check, 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 fais mes bec, bec. Mwen kon 7-7 qui prêt pour aim for your neck, neck. Déjà tout dans 3-7 que j'aime caler. Mwen fin ouais clair qu'on y a mwen prêt pour mwen parler. Haïti, j'ai qui ça qui passe. Ou connaît la monnaie pour ou pas jamais effacer. Yo pas connaît côté nous sorti. Yo pas connaît qui bon nous parler. Janouye, janouye, janouye. Janouye, yeah. Yo pa konen kote nou soti Lache. Yo pa konen ki bon nou prale. Lache. Ladies and gentlemen, Lache. Come on. Lache. I'm feeling this right here. Mwen pa ou histoire nan pays côté Lache soti. Côté timoun yo nan la pli koui toutouni. C'est comme ça yo prend place. Gade nan j'écran moun yo. Mwen wè histoire tout ancêtre yo. Mwen wè misère, mwen wè souffrance. En même temps tout, mwen wè histoire yon esprit qui refuse tomber. Politique, mwen pas besoin politique. Tremblement de terre, tout côté nous fait, nous joindre avec misère. La police a tiré, ça cap cherché, puis joindre avec manger. Gade la vie yon homme qui mourit dans la ria. Yo ça tire, j'étais beaucoup de team qui est fliché. Mais maman l'a crié, la police décide. Yo ça tire, qui est plus important que la vie. Yo c'est le petit, bon je fais les cadeaux. Pas gain l'argent, qui moun qui pral faire enterrement ça. Yo pas connaît qui va nous parler. Qui janouye, qui janouye, qui janouye, qui janouye. Yo pas connaît côté nous sorti. Yo pas connaît. Give it up for Lache, y'all. Suicide. Côté nous sorti. Yo pas connaît qui va nous parler. Qui janouye, qui janouye, qui janouye. Yo pas connaît côté nous sorti. Listen. Yo pas connaît qui va nous parler. Brown Rice, what up? Low, 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 low. I'm not
not your average man. I'm the type that'll go take a flight to Afghanistan. Come back with a turban whipping in the caravan. Beware people, it's the rapping Haitian Taliban. Don't get it mixed up like bartenders fixing the drink. You assed out like plumbers when they fixing the sink. Squeeze the air out your lungs like bagpipes. You a rapper, that's a stupid idea like solar powered flashlights. That's right man, I'm sending you home. Make you bounce like the signal off a cellular phone. Get in the way, I'm running you over, yeah sober. I give every ounce when I get in the zone. I need a CAT scan, I'm one angry black man. It's sad to say, I'm ashamed to be a rap fan. Hip-hop played itself like masturbating. I'm so mad I'm shaking. I'm surrounded by bums like a trash can. All folded, ready to rock, a true b-boy. You're not a real artist, use a true decoy. Nobody f***ing with me, boy. Show enough, I'll make you bite the bullet like your name was Bruce Leroy. No joke, ain't nobody playing the prank. I'm here to murder everybody, think I'm playing, I ain't. I don't got a gun on me, but I stay with a shank. Y'all can have all the dimes, I'ma stay with the skates. Don't hand me your mic, cause you know I go berserk. I stay in the booth like a token clerk. Punchline, wordplay, I got all of them things. I kick a rhyme longer than the movie Lord of the Rings. Make your whack verse sound like a hook. Suicide is a crook for real, you can put that in the book. Knife to your neck, slide across the throat. I don't give two fucks like foster folks. Oh,
Yo pa konen kote nou. Put your hands up. Yeah. Ah. Ki jan nou ye, ki jan nou ye, ki jan nou ye, ki jan nou ye. Yo pa konen kote nou soti. Yo pa konen ki bon nou prale. Farrah Burns. Hamway. Ki jan nou ye, ki jan nou ye.
Yo. Hey yo.
You gotta show respect to the queen. Bring it down a little, you know what I mean?
And you gotta show respect to the king, Bennchoumy. Salute to you, king. Check this out. Every day I'm just chipping away at this Anglo-Saxon's cave. So close, so far. How long it's gonna take? No door tours, no brochures. These forces are evil. Keep your fame, man. Keep your gang, man. I just came for the people. Mother of most, mother of plenty. With a double shot of Henny. Felt like I've been here before. Deja vu, but yeah, time 20. Too many sacred lands, pick a spot. You got Egypt, Africa, Haiti. Watch how they run in, zone in, bomb everything. Kill you and me, kill him, kill everyone. Meditate, get stronger. Then turn around and leave this orbit. If we use 99% of our brain, homie, oh, we would be awesome. No limits, no sky, just infinite, divine. All you have to do is reach if you really seek. You're destined to find. We're all born with gifts, but it's hard to see when you're going through the bullshit. Even when you try to dip, it pulls you back like, yo, you could do this. Saw my soul through my eyes for the first time. I ain't even gonna lie. So I drop to my knees with tears in my eyes and scream, man, I feel so alive. Let's go!
Yo pa konen kote nou soti.
Let's go!
Yo pa konen ki bon nou prale.
Let's go!
Ki jan nou ye, ki jan nou ye, ki jan nou ye. Give it up for Farrah. Yo pa konen kote Farrah Burns. Yo pa konen ki bon nou prale. Ki jan nou ye, ki jan nou ye. Tasha, keep that going for me, please. I want to introduce my brother next. Straight out of Africa, Lagos, Nigeria. They call him the Nigerian nightmare. My brother from my motherland. Ayo!
Take it low, take it low, take it low. Yo, listen up, this is my story. Listen up, listen up. Turn on CNN, you really see a positive thing about the African continent. They explain how war-torn Liberia is, and ABC has primetime specials on the high level of Ethiopian starvation. And Discovery They have regular shows that chronicles Africans as scantily clad humans chasing lions and tigers in the jungle.
Yeah.
You see, I arrived here a little over 7 years ago. And imagine I just stopped at wars with my classmates that are asking me questions like, yo, do you wear clothes in Africa? Was your father a goat herder? Did you and your family take the boat over?
Yeah.
You see, to me this question sounded ridiculous. But can you actually believe that they were being serious? And I don't blame them. I come from a place so beautiful yet so bountiful. A place where elders tell folklore but our forefathers for entertainment. And oneness with nature is close to attainment. Yes, I am from that place where politicians love stealing. A place where you tend to hear more about healing and killing. My point is, it's not a bed of roses. But please don't believe the negative stories. And then they say that Africa has AIDS, so they give us AIDS. All you're trying to do is to fix a slavery and colonization wound with bad aid. Bring out your English dictionary. Africa is spelled A-F-R-I-C-A, not A-I-D-S. The picture you've been painted all your life is B-B-B-B-S.
Yo pa konen kote nou soti. Yo pa konen ki bon nou pale. Ki jan nou ye, ki jan nou ye, ki jan nou ye.
Check it.
Yo pa
Thank you very
konen
much.
kote nou soti. Yo pa konen ki bon nou pale.
Shout out to Bennchoumy, the Manifestasyon. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen. I can't hear you.
Yo pa konen kote nou soti. Yo pa konen ki bon nou pale. Ki jan nou ye, ki jan nou ye, ki jan nou ye, ki jan nou ye. Yo pa konen kote nou soti. Yo pa konen ki bon nou prale. Ki sa nou ye, ki sa nou ye, ki sa nou ye, ki sa nou ye. Yeah, yeah. Please.